Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix that Premiere Pro is not opening on your PC. First of all, we need to open the Task Manager. So you can do this by go to search bar and search for Task Manager, or you can do Ctrl-Alt-Delete, both together. Then right now we find Adobe Premiere Pro right here. If it's not standing right here, search for background processes. But what we need to do now is we click right mouse click on this and then we go to details. Then right now you can see that the status is running, and now we do right mouse click and then we do end task, end process. Then right now we click this away and we click on Premiere Pro again. And then right now you will see that Premiere Pro will work again. So right now he is opening, and now if I click here on the untitled project, we have it here. So this is exactly how this works. It's very easy. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.